Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to our new channel, uh, Natural Sciences Grade 8 and 9. Yeah, today we are looking at this question. I need to remind you that you should subscribe to this channel. We believe it's going to be very impactful, very useful to you. Yeah, so spread the gospel and please stick with us. We believe you want to be great. The question says, some materials allow light to pass through them, while others do not allow light to pass through them. Then the question says, name the term which describes objects which allow light to go through them and we can see through them. Yes. Yeah. How do we refer to these materials which allow light to go through them and we can see through them? What term do we use to describe them? We call them transparent materials. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that name the term which describes objects which allow light to go through them, but we can't see through them. Yeah. How do we describe such objects? These materials, they allow light to go through them, but we can't see through them. We normally see it in glasses of the bathrooms. You see light going through them, but when you try to see things across, you can't see them. So how do we describe such materials? We call them translucent or semi-transparent. Then we come to this question. It says that name the term which describes objects which do not allow light to go through them. Yes. How do we call such objects? They totally block light. They do not allow light to go through them. How do we call them? We call them opaque objects. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that for each of the statements below, state whether it's true or false. Okay? The first one says that transparent substances like glass transmits most of light and reflects or absorbs very little light. Is it true or false? It is true. Most of the light is transmitted by transparent materials. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says that opaque object reflects or absorbs all the light and transmits none. Is it true or false? It is true. Opaque objects do not transmit any light. Actually, all the light which falls on the opaque objects, it's either reflected or absorbed. So it's true. Yeah, then we come to this one. Translucent substances allow some light to be transmitted. Is it true or false? It is true. Yes. Translucent allows some light to go through them. Then we come to this one. It says that the formation of shadow by opaque substances is the evidence that light travel in a straight line. Is it true or false? It's true. Shadow formation is the evidence that light travels in a straight line. So it's true. Yeah. So with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is called Natural Sciences Grade 8 and 9. We urge you to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share. Yes, we believe we are simply the best. Stick with us. Stay blessed. See you next time. Bye-bye.